Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is flood insurance. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is flood insurance. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this first website, what is flood insurance cover. When you click this website, the page will be opened, what is flood insurance and how it's covered. Now, first of all, we discuss what is flood insurance. Flood insurance is the type of property insurance that covers the dwelling for your losses and sustainable water damage, specifically due to flooding and between for the experience that you have snow and casual of the storm and surger block storm, draining system and leaf dam failure. It may be places a flood is considered visa or major event that you have to damage your destructions and cases by uncovered if you don't have the supplemental insurance. Key takeaways: flood insurance is the type of property insurance that cover the dwelling for losses and due to flooding. Flood insurance policies are available for all your residential and commercial properties. The Federal National Flood Insurance Program offer to flood insurance and homeowner practicing communities and with policies are offered throughout private insurance. The pricing of your flooding and insurance policy is based on the NFIP disaggregation and flood zone that is which the property is located, as well as the property ages evaluation and the number of floods. The average annual cost of your flood insurance is $700, but cost of vary by locations, type of size, and structure for other factors. How flood insurance work? A type of Christopher insurance that a flood insurance policy is the different from that and basics hazard insurance coverage. Continue to the homeowner insurance policy, flood insurance policies, and available for all your home and commercial properties. Standard homeowner insurance cover for the interior water damage due to the factor of like storm and brush pipes. However, it is generally doesn't have the cover of destruction or damage caused by your floodwater property owners and life of your ponds or floods and usually needs for the get of special insurance. Flood insurance basically work with the like of other insurance product. It is the insured of property owners place for annual premium based on the property flood risk and it is the deductible for all choices. It is the property of constant that is the damage or destroy all flooding caused by your external like rain, snowstorm, collapse, and fail for the infrastructure. This is the homeowner and covered by your receive for the amount of your money required to repair for your damage and rebuild for structure all your policies limit. Unlike the standard homeowner policy, flood structure requires that is the policy holders by a separated policies cover that is dwelling the countries and separated cover for indeed that are the cover of swear backup and backup are not have to cost by rising flood water. The National Flood Increases Program. The National Flood Increases Program managed by your Federal Emergencies Management Agency offers flood insurance or homeowner. It is the participating communities that are those for the NFIP designed for your flood paints. This is the actual insurance policies that is issued the private insurance companies, not by NFIP and FEMA. The Federal Emergency Management Agency is updated for maps and flood zones that US and areas of the most likely experience flooding. That is the update of zone that is the changing of the width and you have to the insatisfying weather pattern that zone of the broken into your subscriptions and rating purpose. Properties for your location zone B and C is the X return of your mandate in the low risk of flooding. Low of the means that you have to the 1% chances of annual flooding. Properties and you have to the located that you have to the zone of design with an concentrations high risk with the broken down further, which is the descriptions for your patient-able floodware highest of established, and this is the range of occurrence that courses of 30-year mortgage up properties with the recoveries and see for the disadvantages of similar and other located in zone. These of the higher and these are the possessions along with the cost of some homeowner that is the zone of D, which is we have to determine that you have to get the made of your flood zone maps and under for the circumstance reviews for the accommodate changing with you have to the paid of changing environment and dams of the leaves.